Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change your educational or information about your educational background or level on your profile on Indeed.com in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So guys, head over to Indeed.com, log into your account and click into your profile icon top right and select profile here. Next, scroll down and here click into qualifications. Next, click into this second uppermost option and which is add education, and simply enter level of education, like I don't know, Bachelor of Science or Bachelor of Arts, field of study like I don't know, English literature for example. And you can add more of them by clicking into this button or simply click into save to save the one information, and you will see it added to your profile here guys, and you can edit or change that information anytime here by clicking into that pencil icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.